Hello, so today I'll be using Stellarium to illustrate the scale of the universe, and today we'll be starting on Saturn and zooming out to see how small Saturn is compared to the entire universe in the Milky Way galaxy. As we know, we cannot use miles or distances like miles and kilometers to explain the distance between planets and stars out in space because it can't fulfill and can't explain how far planets and other stars are out from Saturn or even from us down on Earth. So as we continue out, we're seeing how small Saturn is, and I'm traveling out many and many light years away from Saturn, continuing to see more and more stars and more objects in space appear. I'll keep on going out, and we can see the formation of the Milky Way galaxy, and it's pretty cool to notice how Earth is one of many planets and many objects in space, and we are able and blessed to be on Earth and live life, but we are just one little thing in the Milky Way galaxy, where the Milky Way galaxy is also one of many galaxies. So just talking about that, we can learn, and zooming in like this, we can learn how small Earth really is and how largely scaled the universe actually is. But thank you.